Hello dear children, today learn this video. Legal name for kids. Let's start. Car. This is car. Bus. This is bus. Jeep. This is jeep. Truck. This is truck. Dump truck. This is dump truck. Bicycle. This is bicycle. Motorcycle. This is motorcycle. Scooter. This is scooter. Auto rickshaw. This is auto rickshaw. Cycle rickshaw. This is cycle rickshaw. Aeroplane. This is aeroplane. Helicopter. This is helicopter. Train. This is train. Tractor. This is tractor. Ambulance. This is ambulance. Fire truck. This is fire truck. Horse carriage. This is horse carriage. Bullock cart. This is bullock cart. Ship. This is ship. Boat. This is boat. Submarine. This is submarine. Metro train. This is metro train. Crane. This is crane. Police car. This is police car. Forklift. This is forklift. Hot air balloon. This is hot air balloon. Bulldozer. This is bulldozer. Army tank. This is army tank.